Welcome back. In this session we will be taking you through sort and filter under data tab, the different application, the different techniques which are underlying sort and filter, and of course tips and tricks. Let me begin talking about sort. I'm in sheet 1 and there are 3 exercises, so let me talk about exercise 1 first. Let me click on the grouping which I have, and the data that comes before me talks about month-wise sales number in dollars. Now at the very basic level, I would want to sort this data based on the highest sales first and thereafter followed by the sales downwards, descending order. So let me pick up any cell from the data. Let me press Ctrl A to choose the data set. Let me go to data tab. Within the ribbon I will find the sort. So I say sort by amount dollars. Perfect. And please do the order in terms of largest to smallest. So highest first, the lowest at the last. Okay. Now the month would of course be rearranged based on the highest to lowest sales order, but my objective has been met. Now this was a basic sorting wherein just I chose the data. I went to sort and I said please sort by the amount and that to largest to smallest. Not much of a hassle here. But the moment I change the question which says please sort the month, entire data, and the month sequence should be January, February, and the last should be December in the proper calendar month sequence. Now as usual, let me choose the data using Ctrl A. Let me go to data tab, and within which let me access sort. Sort by month. Yeah. Now if I keep any of these two orders, A to Z or Z to A, let's see what happens. A to Z, it is sorting based on alphabetical order. If I had picked up Z to A under order, it would have done reverse alphabetical. Now both these I do not want. I want January 1st, then February, then March, and so on. So the trick is, after choosing the data, of course I need to go inside sort, and the order must be changed to custom list. I want to customize this order, so let me go to custom list. Now within which by default the system has already given us the Sunday, Monday, the weekdays, all the days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday included, and the month, the short form of the month and the full form. Now looking at the data, I can clearly see the one that matches my requirement is the full form of the months, so let me choose that. Okay. So this is something that I was looking forward to. January 1st, then February. Okay, in this data the February doesn't exist, but the sequence has been captured: May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now if you wanted, you could have also done it 2 levels of sorting. That is, after choosing the data, of course going out to sort by month, but within month I would want the highest sales to be on the top. So I say please sort by month, please add another level and say amount dollars, largest to smallest. So first it would sort by month in the January, February, March sequence, and thereafter followed by amount, largest to smallest. So just for testing purpose, August, highest to lowest, November, highest to lowest, December, highest to lowest. So that was 2 levels of sorting coupled with custom list sorting. Now you might be wondering, what are the other applications of the custom sorting? Let me hide this grouping of exercise 1 and let me open up grouping 2. Okay. Now grouping 2 displays a data zonal wise sales. This is just a sample data. In real life you would have much larger data set, but the problem here is I would want to make this sorting in the sequence of news format, not first, then east, then west, and then south. Okay, you could suggest me that just like last time I could choose the data using Ctrl A. I could go to sort by zone. But the problem here is, even though if I go inside the custom list, there is no predefined list which indicates north, east, west, south. Now here comes the trick part. This new list option allows me to insert my own customized list. Let's say north, comma east, comma west, comma south. They are not case sensitive, so north, comma east, comma west, comma south. I'll just check the spelling. Yep, they all seem to be correct. Let me add it to my custom list. Now this is just one time effort, because the next time you open any Excel file in the same PC, this would be there. So if I press OK, and if I press OK to get out of it, so north first, then east, then west, and then south. So this is how I am able to customize it to my requirement, adding my own list. And in fact, the HR professionals would find the exercise 3 very useful. Let's say I may have the names of employee and their designation. Now I would want that the entire data should be sorted in the sequence of seniority. So director being the first in the line of hierarchy, thereafter followed by senior manager, then manager, and then associate maybe. Now of course the Excel would not give you the predefined list. I'll have to define it. So I have already written it out here. Let me get inside the cell, copy this. Now please be careful, I am not simply copying the cell entirely. The custom sort list will not allow me to paste this cell inside that box. Let me get inside the cell, copy from inside the data, press escape to get out of the cell. Then after, let me choose the data, sort by designation, custom list. Now in real life you would have to write this director, comma, senior manager, etc. But just for display purpose, demonstration purpose, let me paste it what I have copied just now. Let me add it. So directors, then senior manager, then manager, and lastly associate. Okay. Let me press OK. Precisely what I was looking forward to. So custom list, many application you can do news format, north, east, west, south, zonal wise, you can do designation wise. So this was about sorting and custom sorting, and in fact 2007 has also come out with color based sorting. Let's say I had picked up 2 managers for an outstation assignment, so I may have had colored the cells yellow. One more manager. Now if I'm sorting, Control A, data, sort by let's say designation or name, but this time I would want cell color to be predominant, and the moment I choose cell color, it tells me either no cell color or yellow. So if I choose yellow and I press OK, the yellow are on top. Very useful in case you are working with files that hasn't been colored by your juniors or by your colleagues based on certain criteria. So after having spoken about sorting, let us take another example, another application of sorting. Let me come down to sheet 2. Okay. On the left hand side, I have the same data on which we worked upon a couple of minutes back. It talks about region wise, zonal wise sales amount. Now sometimes I have seen people that they require that after every line item they must have an extra row for the reporting purposes. Now think about the problem where this list could be 10,000 in number, and how do you add that extra row after every line item? Now sort coupled with a bit of logic can help you do that very easily. Let me give you the logic first. So serial number, I'm just adding one dummy column, serial number, and I am placing 1, 2, choosing both 1 and 2. I'm double clicking at the bottom right of the selection so that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 12 comes up. Now it may be stretching up till 10,000 depending on the data. Whatever the data selection is there right now on my screen, let me copy that, press Ctrl down, once again down arrow, primarily to reach out to the next cell, the blank cell, and paste it, the entire list there, Ctrl P. Now the trick is to choose the entire data block, go to data, sort by serial number. Now when I sort by serial number, the entire chosen data has been taken, so 1 and 1 will be before 2 and 2, That means the first one will be north and the next one will be the cell containing nothing, that's the blank row. Okay, so 1 1 together, 2 and 2 together, 3 and 3 together, and so on till the 10,000 or maybe 20,000th row. Now I will not need the serial number right now, so let me simply delete it. And just to beautify this, I may also take the help of Format Painter and apply that to the rest. Again, that's the beautification part, but their main criteria had been taken care of. So I could have taken one more extra row and added borders to that. Copy and paste. Looks like the way that I wanted. So hope you are able to apply this. Once you get data bigger than this, and do re-see the video, this portion, to get a hang of it.